Hello, this is again me, Sergey Alexandrov, a managing partner of Legal Ideas law firm based in Kiev. And today we are going to answer the most popular questions about real estate we received from you. Yes, even though all payments in Ukraine should be carried out in the national currency of Ukraine hryvnia, this limitation doesn't apply to transactions where a foreigner is part of the transaction. So you can pay for your land or for apartment or for your house in US dollars, in euros, or in any other foreign currency you like. Of course, if your seller agrees on that. And you can pay for your real estate object both in cash or via money, transferring money through your overseas bank account to your seller's bank account in Ukraine. In general, no. Owning a flat, a house, an office building, or whatever other real estate object doesn't give you a legal ground to apply for residence. But you can do some legal magic here. For example, you set up a company here in Ukraine, put 100,000 US dollars into this company, and this company uses this money to buy a house. So, first, you made an investment in the amount of 100 US dollars that gives you a legal ground to apply for residence. Second, you use your house. Technically, it belongs not to you, it belongs to your company, but who cares? And thus, disregarding that you will get your Ukraine residence not because you bought a house, but because you set up a company, anyway, you use those money to buy your real estate. The only disadvantage of this scheme could be that, of course, you will need to keep your company alive as long as you're going to use your real estate. So you will need to report to the tax office annually, for example. You will need to pay taxes if you have some profit, etc. However, as long as this company was set up only for buying real estate for you, it will not do any business, real business. The cost of keeping it alive will be minimum. When you sell one apartment or one house once per year, which you have owned up to 3 years, in this case, you as a foreigner pay 18% tax. This 18% tax is paid out of sale and purchase price of this apartment. And if you were not a foreigner but a Ukrainian citizen, you would pay only 5% tax. Simply owning a dwelling can impose taxes on you also. This tax is calculated based on the square meters of your dwelling. For example, if your apartment is larger than 60 square meters, then you will pay this tax. If we are talking about a house, then the house should be larger than 120 square meters. This tax is determined by the local municipal authorities and cannot be more than 1.5% out of the minimum salary that was determined on January the 5th of the current year. For example, as of now, it's around $2.50 per square meter. That's all about real estate questions. If you have some extra questions, you can ask them in comments under this video. Subscribe to this channel to find out in our next episode about pitfalls of buying fake work permits and volunteering permits.